Welcome! In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to clear archived group messages on the WhatsApp app for PC after the latest update. If you've been archiving chats to keep your sidebar clean but now want a fresh start within one of those groups, this process will help you reset things quickly. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads up, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll notice the menu that lists your chats. Scroll down slightly until you see the section labeled Archived. This is where all your archived chats, including group conversations, are stored. Click on Archive to enter that section. Now browse through the list and find the group chat you want to manage. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the group's name and then right-click on it. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From this menu, select the option that says Clear Messages. This step is important to understand. Clearing messages will remove the conversation history from your view, but it does not delete the actual group itself. You'll remain a member of the group, and new messages will still appear when they arrive. After you select Clear Messages, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This ensures you don't accidentally erase something you didn't mean to. Go ahead and confirm your choice if you're sure you want to wipe the chat clean. That's it. The group's message history will be cleared, leaving you with an empty conversation thread inside the archived folder. From there, you can keep it archived, unarchive it, or simply let new messages fill it again. This quick method is especially helpful if you want your chat list and archives to stay organized without clutter from past conversations. It also gives you a more focused experience moving forward with only the new relevant messages you care about. So now you know how to clear archived group messages on WhatsApp for PC in just a few steps. Thanks for watching.